Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to customize your Mailchimp emails and place two buttons side by side, maybe for different calls to action or just to make your design pop, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a clean, professional-looking layout with two buttons right next to each other, no confusing code required. Let's jump right in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, open up your Mailchimp email template design. This is where you're going to make all your changes. So if you're already working on a campaign or just starting a new one, make sure you're inside the template editing area before we continue. Next, you'll want to click on the body section of your template. This is basically the main workspace where all your content lives: images, text, buttons, you name it. Think of it as your canvas. Clicking here tells Mailchimp where you want to work and lets it know you're about to make some structural changes. Once you've selected the body section, go ahead and click Done. This might seem a bit odd, almost like you're finishing before you've started, but what this does is confirm your selection so that Mailchimp can show you all the available layout blocks you can add. Now let's scroll down until you see the blank layout options. These are preset blocks designed to help you structure your content just the way you like it. For this tutorial, we're looking for blank layout number 2. This particular layout is perfect because it's divided into two columns side by side, making it the easiest way to get two buttons next to each other without any complicated tricks. Once you've found layout number 2, simply drag and drop it into your email template wherever you'd like your buttons to appear. Just a little tip here, make sure you're working in the desktop view at this point. In desktop view, you'll see the two columns perfectly lined up side by side, which is exactly what we want. If you peek into the mobile view, you'll notice that Mailchimp automatically stacks these columns vertically. That's totally normal. Most email clients do this to make emails easier to read on smaller screens. So don't worry if everything doesn't look side by side in mobile preview. Your desktop users will see it just right. With your two-column layout in place, click Done again to close out that part of the editor. Now it's time to add your buttons. Just drag and drop a button block straight into one side of your two-column layout. Don't worry if it's not perfect at first. Mailchimp lets you tweak placements as much as you need. Now here's a neat little trick. Once you've got your first button exactly how you like it, you don't need to build the second one from scratch. Instead, you can simply duplicate this button block. Look for the duplicate icon, give it a click, and you'll have a brand new button ready to go. To get the duplicate button into the other column, you just click and hold that block, then drag and drop it over to the other side. It's a bit like moving a playing card to a different stack. Just drag it until you see the drop area light up and release. That's all there is to it. And there you have it, two beautiful buttons sitting side by side in your Mailchimp email. This is such a simple way to make your emails more interactive and organized, so feel free to play around with different colors, links, or calls to action for each button. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions about Mailchimp layouts or want to see more email design tips, drop your thoughts in the comments below. I always love hearing from you. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.